I have a super simple recipe for chocolate biscuit bombs today. It's almost not even a recipe, but it's so good I had to share it with you. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are breaking out the Pillsbury dough and making biscuit bombs with chocolate. These are so good. These are great for dessert, but they're also great for like a brunch. This would be great for Easter brunch or anytime you're having people over for brunch and want something that's a little bit different, kind of like a pastry, like a chocolate croissant, but a little bit different. These are so easy and delicious. They're no fail. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. So these start with Grands biscuits. Now I'm just using a can of the buttermilk Grands home style. Don't use flaky for these because they'll fall apart. Those have those layers. So just use the home style. You can use any of the flavors of the biscuits. You're gonna open that can of biscuits. I like to peel it and then you can use a spoon to open it. And then we're going to separate those biscuits. Then you're gonna flatten it out. So I'm using a little rolling pin here. You can just use your hands to roll it out, flatten it a little bit. So it makes it a little bit bigger because we're gonna stuff it with chocolate and then roll it into a ball that makes that like bomb. It's like a bomb of flavor in the middle. So once you have it rolled out, add just some chocolate chips, probably about a tablespoon or so in the middle of that biscuit. And then you're going to roll it up into a ball and make sure that it is completely sealed. So you're gonna pinch those ends together when you roll it up and then roll it between your hands to make it into a nice ball. You just wanna make sure that it's completely sealed. So let's watch that again, just so you're not confused about it. Now again, what's amazing about this is you can make this with really anything. You can make cheese bombs, you can make pizza bombs. When it comes to sweet ones, you could use any kind of chocolate chip, you could use white chocolate, you could even use like, mini Snickers or peanut butter cups. There's so many options for this. I love using the chocolate because it's kind of like making a chocolate croissant. So once you have all of your biscuits rolled, you're going to add them into a round cake pan. This is an 8-inch cake pan that's been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. You're gonna bake that at 350 until it is nice and golden brown. And then we're gonna make just a simple glaze. This is using powdered sugar and heavy cream and vanilla. You could also use milk, but just add little bits at a time, whisk it together until you get the desired consistency you want. Add more milk or heavy cream as you go. Once you have your frosting and your rolls are nice and hot from the oven, go ahead and add your frosting on top and then spread it out. You don't need a lot because it's like chocolate and bread, so you don't need tons of extra sweetness, but the glaze just kind of makes it like yummy, almost like a cinnamon roll or something like that. So these are super easy and super delicious. I can't wait to try this again with cinnamon rolls. You can see how easy that was to make. Once they come out of the oven and you put that glaze on there, just break them apart. You can see all that yummy chocolate inside. These are so simple and so good. I mean, who doesn't love bread with chocolate? If you don't love bread and chocolate, then I'm not quite sure why you're here. Leave me a comment, let me know what recipes I should make with Pillsbury dough because I love using their dough in all of my recipes. And keep watching for even more breakfast recipes.